Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your nachos cook evenly and get perfectly crispy. Next, spread a single layer of tortilla chips on a baking sheet. This prevents overcrowding and allows each chip to get its share of delicious toppings. Now, gather your favorite toppings, like seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, and plenty of cheese. Once your chips are ready, it's time to layer on the flavor. Evenly distribute your cooked meat, like seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, and any beans over the chips. Don't be shy with the toppings. Then, generously sprinkle a good amount of shredded cheese over everything. We're aiming for maximum cheesiness here. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. After baking, carefully remove your hot, cheesy nachos from the oven. The aroma alone is incredible. Now for the fresh additions that really elevate the dish. Add cool, crisp toppings like diced tomatoes, sliced jalapenos, and fresh cilantro. These provide a wonderful contrast to the warm, savory base. Serve your delicious nachos immediately, perhaps with a dollop of sour cream and a scoop of creamy guacamole on the side for dipping. There you have it, perfectly baked, customizable homemade nachos ready to be devoured. These are fantastic for game nights, parties, or just a cozy evening in. Don't hesitate to experiment with different cheese blends, like a sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack, or try various protein options such as pulled pork or black beans. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.